eyes on the way I vibe when I walk into the room. Wind blows underneath the soles of my brand new pair of shoes. I got the attention, I'm on a mission. No sweat in the way I step, I got a fresh new attitude.
That's my beard hair. It's a thing, right? Beard hair. What's up, Airkewld Army? It's your friend Pete with John over there, Joey over there. Just got done doing the chassis for the Telez family. I'm going to show you the details before it heads to powder coat. If you like films like this, make sure you give it a... And let's get into the details. Let's not bore you with all the mumbo jumbo.
New look, got the ladies shook. New watch saying it's my time. These magazines wanna feature me, cause they know I'm on the rise. Get the attention, I'm on a mission. Cause ever since I flipped that switch, my power can't be denied. Oh my, 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 oh my, my, my. Call me a king, you can buy me a crown. Oh my, 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 oh my, my, my. I'm leveled up, and this is my world now. This is my world now. So anyone who tried to write me off, tell them they can go and write this down. This is my world now.
So I wanted to show you guys what we've done. Every one of these kits requires us to notch brackets to fit year ranges in which the shock tower can be in a different shape or whatnot, and so they take a tad different fit. So I kind of wanted to show before I welded what the fit looks like. So looking around this tower, you can see we kind of notched the plate, we kind of notched the torsion housing, kind of slide it in there. That is missing there, but we leveled this out, we leveled this out, we leveled this out. We centered it over the control arm hole right there, and we put this more inwards there, but we can slide it back and forth. And that nut down there can, the control arm can widen or shrink to get all of this to fit nice. So you can see that that does not touch, but we will weld it down there, and we will weld it here, and we'll create some structure. Fit it down there nicely. Same thing on this side, notching it out, getting it to fit nice. So now we'll give it a couple more tacks, and then we'll take the transmission out, and we'll get to fully welding it. You see, we tack this bracket in, that bracket in, and now we'll go into my favorite part. That's me. Burning and turning, stacking dimes, MIG life. Raise your hand if you're part of the MIG life. So we're gonna do that now. You get to watch, enjoy.
They can smell it from a mile away. Got some black market romance, body with a cold hand, crimes no one gets away with. Some sins you can't atone for, like gold you trade your soul for. Had enough but gotta have more. We keep playing with fire, knowing it's a dangerous game. Yeah, we keep playing with fire. They can smell it from a mile. lesson learned, class dismissed. Been doing like this. You be adversary, I'll be legendary. 6 feet under buried in the cemetery. I got a whole lot of fire burning in these bones. Lick a moment of silence before we watch you go. Watch me now, watch me now. Watch me now, watch me now. I'm gonna do it my way. Watch me now, watch me now. Ain't nobody do it like I do it, do it. Watch me now, watch me now. Ain't nobody do it like I do it, do it.
Front of the other, gas can't feel to the ground. You got 1 foot front of the other, hair blowing back in the wind. You say you don't recognize me, but you don't know where I've been. I got 1 foot front of the other, gas can't.
So 62 chassis that we're working on. We did the inspection plate and we welded the clutch tube there to reinforce it. We put new Wolfsburg West pan halves. We updated the e-brake bracket. They're going to use the factory seatbelts, so we left the bung here, and the other bung is actually on the B pillar, I guess. Yeah, B pillar. This is for the heater tube duct to come from one side to the other, and we'll go show you that over there as far as what we've done. What we gonna do. Pan amps came out really nice. If you saw in those last episodes, I'll kind of show you what it looks like here. We actually did the welding of these on the bottom. Came out cleaner. Really happy about that. We also got the air ride all done and welded in by yours truly. So that's all nice and clean. Cleaned up all the welding throughout the chassis. Made it nice and seaworthy. Now we're gonna go put it. We're gonna go put a nice, sexy coat of satin black powder coat on the chassis. Here's a bracket we put on there. So the vent will come out of there into a T, which will come into like the heater duct here, and also go to that side to that duct over there. So this is the tunnel. We have it all drilled out for the little stands. Just cleaned up the edges and all the things to make it nice. chassis and the bottom's all done nicely too, all deburred and cleaned up. Really like how this turned out. Now off to powder coat. We have a new friend in the industry, and we're going to showcase them in the next episode when we pick it up. Get ready for this.